Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss one of the small topic in Postman, which is a Postman params. So how can we copy and reuse this params using a bulk edit? So let's get started. So what is bulk edit? So this option allows us to reuse the params from one request to another request. And I will show you in the Postman standalone tool now. So this is my collection, and under that collection I have a request. So every request has an option to provide some parameters. So here, if you open this, let me open my new tab. So this is my new tab. So under this new tab, this is the URL section, and the first option we have params. So I wanted to use this params, and in case I don't have any params now, I will add one or two. So params 1, and my value is value 1, and I will add another params 2, and here value is 2. So I wanted to use this same kind of params in different requests. So if I have another request, I need to type again this params again here. So I wanted to use this params in the new request, so I don't need to again go and copy each request from here and paste it here. So there is an option called, under params we have an option called bulk edit. So if you click on this bulk edit, you will see this some small options, some text over here. Copy this text, and if you click on again key value edit, you will see key value edit, and this is a bulk edit. So if I wanted to add a new param again, params 3, and my params 3 value is again value 3. So if you click on this key value edit again, you will see another param is added. I wanted to copy all these params into my new request. So for this, I need to go to again bulk edit, and I will copy this all the options from here, and I will go to the new request. Under new request, I will click on the params again. I will click on this bulk edit option, and here I will paste this options here. So if you click on again key value edit, you will see all the params has been copied here. This is one of the simplest option where you can copy all the params from one request to another request. So I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share your questions, queries in my comment section. Thanks for watching.